Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to share a note with everyone on Instagram using your PC. Thanks to the new update that makes this process super simple and straightforward. First, open your preferred browser and go to Instagram's website. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu where you'll find several options. Click on Messenger, which is Instagram's direct messaging feature integrated right into the desktop experience. Now, you'll see your messages, and at the top, there's a section labeled Notes. This is where you can create a short message or update that your followers can see. Click on your note area and start typing whatever you want to share. It could be a quick thought, an announcement, or just something fun to engage your followers. After you've written your note, the next step is to decide who gets to see it. You'll find an option labeled Shared With. Click on it and select followers that you follow back. This means your note will be visible to those followers who you have a mutual connection with, making it a more personal and targeted way to communicate. Once you've chosen your audience, simply click the Share button. Your note will now appear at the top of your followers' inboxes, giving them a quick glimpse of what you want to say. This feature is perfect for sharing updates, reminders, or just staying connected with your community in a casual yet effective way. And that's it. Sharing a note on Instagram from your PC has never been easier. With just a few clicks, you can keep your followers in the loop and make your Instagram experience more interactive. Give it a try and watch how your engagement grows with this neat little feature. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on using Instagram and other social media platforms. See you next time.